Hi, today I'm for the Oppo A77 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. Open first the control panel and you will see here all of the available options. If you want to remove some of these options or just to add another one option here to your panel or just to change the positions of these icons, you should click here to this edit icon. You'll see here this more functions section, which functions you could add to your panel. For example, let's add the calculator, hold it and drag it to your panel by this way. By the same way, we could add here more and other options. To remove some of them from here, you should just hold the icon and drag it to this down section. And if you want to change the positions of the icons here on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. Also, you could click here to right upper corner to these three dots to more icon and click to reset. Then just tap to go back, and now you'll see here all the resetted options. Or also, if you want to just, for example, to change some options, to add them, you should click to go back to save all of the changes. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.